This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude XG32 is a Super CRV. It is located in Columbia City, Indiana, 46725 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Wayne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude XG32 is built on a Ford F550 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.